Hi friends, this is Akshay. Welcomes you all on Career Edge. Today I'm going to show you some internship provided by government, and here is AICT internship platform where AICT, from which many engineering colleges in India recognized by providing intensive free internships for students of engineering as well as marketing. So today I'm going to show you some internship provided by them and also about some details, and lastly how to log in. Must watch the full video because at the last I will share some important tips which makes you comfortable on registering on this platform, because it is hard to register at that platform. And this is an internship of graphic and digital design, and what is required to apply for this, you see on the description that you have to call a BTech student from CSC, IT and electronics department. And also what perks is strong communication skills you need for this, proficient in Microsoft Studio tools just like Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Office, etc. Terms of engagement, internship having BTech in informatics and in electrical as well as computer science students, and duration of this internship is only 2 months. What stipend you get? Rupees 5,000 you get from that. And this AICTE platform is provided by Government of India for providing all internship at one place. And here is the internship of web app development. And next is mobile app development. And here is the process management. Here UI and UX designer. And this is the intern of official communication. And this is very demanding intern for digital marketing analytics. And what you need for applying this, that is marketing skills, analytics skills, knowledge of English, means you are fluent in English, and you also some article writing skills for in English and other Indian languages. You get a stipend of rupees 5,000. And also there is some terms of engagement that this duration month of the internship may be vary. And all after that, qualification required for this internship is the student pursuing BTech and BE. Duration is 6 months. Last date of apply is 4th of July. All the internship is for 4th of July to 7th of July, so doesn't be late, because the number of the candidate which applying for these internships are very large, and the internship is only for maximum 50 students. So be hurry and also share this internship to your friends so that they also get benefited by this. And here is the internship for those students who are interested in programming, and for this you have a grasp in programming of all, that is HTML, CSS, any programming language and others. But total seats for this is vacant seats are 8, so there is going to be a huge competition in various candidates for these seats, because there are total number of seats is approx 50, and for this applying candidates is more than 1 lakh. So if you wants to get internship, then you enhance your skills and also get some certificates from the reputed sites so that you can put them in resume, because it is also needed when you are applying for these internships. So be ready your resume also. And after that I'm going to show you how you get registered for any of the internship. Here is the internship of digital marketing, and now I'm going to show you how you get registered for this. I already informed for this initially, so here I'm going to apply for this. Just tap on apply internship. When you tap on, then after that you have an option of login. If you are new, then you have to register for this on this platform. So I'm also new on this platform. Just tap on register now, and here is some details required for move on. First is your university and college name, if it is AICTE affiliated or not. If not, then just click on non-AICTE affiliated organization, because if you are studying in the college or the institute which is deemed university or it is recognized by UGC, then you have to tap on non-AICTE recognized institutes. It's an easy process to register, but only there is to take care about you doesn't use other characters than numericals and alphabets. And here is my registration process. After that you have to check for your robot process is here. I am not a robot. And that after that you have to just click on register and you get registered. There is an activation email. Go to your email id and just you have go for this, and after that you have to log in. Here you get an interface to log in. Go for student login, and when you tap on student login there is an option to come for your email, and after that you have to put your password. When you logged in, then there is one more details form is required, and here is required your personal details, your education qualification and other things. So here you have to upload your recent photo and also a government id so that they validate you. And here there is many options just like differentially abled, your student id number, your class 12th board and class 10th board education details, and here is the graduation details. If you are completed your graduation, then other things are required. If you are currently pursuing this btech or be, then you have to other things, and here you have to upload your government id, and after that you have to save. Then this is very long process. This much for today. Thanks for watching.